Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Swavy.
Yeah.
And this is Suave Take. Welcome back, or welcome if it's your first time. I know there's a couple new people out there, so shout out to you guys. It's been a while, man. I haven't seen this guy in a minute.
Yeah, it's been a while, but we're back. We're back and we're ready to pump out more content for you guys. So today we're coming back with a fall essentials video. This is what we deem to be essentials for our personal style. Feel free to switch stuff out for in your own personal wardrobe, whatever works for you. But yeah, this is gonna be what we like to wear during the fall season. So
This is gonna be a fun one because we know that fall is a lot of people's favorite times to get dressed. And a lot of these pieces that we're showing you, you don't have to break the bank for. So we're gonna let you know where you can go to find these pieces as well. So let's get right into it. Starting off, I think it's very essential that you have a knitted sweater. This is in a brown tone. Tones are also really important for me when it comes to fall. I stick to that brown, burgundy tones. You know the vibes, the orange, all that shit. So we have this knit sweater. You'll see how I style it on the B-roll. It keeps you warm. I know that it's kind of awkward in the fall for a lot of people, especially depending on where you live, because it might be a little bit too hot for certain things and it might be a little bit too cold for others. Sometimes you could just wear it by itself. Sometimes you can layer it with a jacket. We'll show you that later in the video.
So with NIS, the great thing about NIS is that, we can always layer NIS depending on the temperature outside. Again, depending where you live, it might be a little bit too hot, a little bit too cold. So if it's a little bit more chillier out, NIS are a great layering piece. So you can, dress them with something on top, something underneath, and you should be fine, you should be good. During the fall and winter season, we really like to use knits, kind of like our base layer. So if you watched our summer essentials video, a t-shirt is our essential as a base layer, right? Like a plain white t-shirt. During the fall time, of course, it's gonna get a little bit more chillier, especially where we live. So we have to switch that out, opt in for a knit most days. So yeah, knits are a great essential during the fall time. And there's plenty of different variations. Again, you don't have to break the bank. Just find, if you're looking for a base layer, just get a multitude of like decent quality knits of a variety of colors and you should be fine. And then of course, you can always look to heighten that with a more expensive, interesting cut here and there, tones, colors, prints, whatever it may be. But yeah, knits, great base layer during the fall time.
So for light jackets, I got this brown corduroy jacket. It's a crop jacket. This is for when it gets a little bit more chilly outside. Again, we use the knits as a building block. So this is another layer that I'm adding on top of it. I still stick within the tones. It's a brown corduroy jacket paired up with some white jeans and some brown boots. That's a very good fall look.
And again, light jackets are a very vague term. Adhere it to your own personal style. There's a lot of great options out there. I personally really love varsity jackets, so you're gonna see me style a varsity jacket. Denim jackets are great, corduroy jackets, anything, overcoats, anything that can help give you a little bit extra pop in your outfit. Could be the main staple of your outfit, or again, could just be another building block.
And it's actually functional. I mean, it's keeping you warm as well.
Yeah, of course. A light jacket, definitely essential for the fall season.
So next up, we have cardigans. I feel like cardigans are very, very, very essential. It's probably my favorite thing to wear in the fall because I can have a little bit more elements to my outfit. You can see my shirt under, I can have a t-shirt, I can have a button up. You see me style it here with a button up. This is probably my favorite outfit that I put together. And I styled it here with Birks. Yes, I'm still wearing the Birks in the fall. I'm getting as much use out of them as I can. I really like it because you can see the tones and the textures, and like you see my socks even, like, you get the vibe. You see the outfit.
Cardigans are a great in between a light jacket and a knit. It gives you like another whole element, and I just love cardigans for the fact that you can dress them up and even dress them down, so it looks a little bit more, casual, or you can look a little bit more presentable depending on your mood that day, wherever you're going. So yeah, cardigan provides you a great deal of versatility as well. So that's another reason why we think cardigans are definitely essential during the fall season. All right, so moving on, we got trousers. It's no surprise. If you know us, you'll probably catch us in trousers
All year
6
round.
out of 7 days of the week, all year round. So that's what I love about trousers is that, again, so many different cuts, variations, and colors you can get them in. And again, you don't have to break the bank. A great place to find trousers, actually, especially when we were kind of getting into it.
The thrift.
The thrift, yeah.
All of these pieces we've been talking about, the thrift is your best friend for all of them. Cardigans, knits, trousers, all that stuff. Trust me, they'll have all of it there. Just make sure you check your local thrift stores. They have all of this stuff.
So again, trousers, not gonna say too much on it, honestly.
Wear them all the time.
Yeah, so again, just experiment, really. Try to find something that works with you in terms of colors and prints. Have some fun with it, and yeah, we'll show you a couple trousers we have for some outfits. All right, so moving on to the final piece we're gonna be showcasing today. It's gonna be boots. And yet again, boots is something that we deem to be essential all year round pretty much.
Yeah.
But weather permitting, functionality wise, the fall season is probably your best time to be wearing boots, just because, you know, there's not too much snow on the ground, if any snow, not too cold, not too hot. So all around, perfect time to be wearing boots.
I'll be showcasing my brown leather pair. He'll be showcasing his brown suede pair. Personally, I think if you're talking about fall aesthetic, I think that the brown suede pair is a lot better. Honestly, I just like the brown suede pair better in general, honestly. That's just from an aesthetic standpoint. As far as functionality, I think a leather boot is probably your best bet just because, you know, it does rain. And that's been our fall essentials. These are things that we think are important in the fall. You could just take what you want here and there and just implement that into your own personal style.
Yeah.
And again, like we said, a lot of these pieces you can pick up in the thrift store. You really don't have to break the bank at all. You can mix match materials, tones, all that stuff that we like to do, and just have fun with it. Stay warm and stay fitted. That
was corny.
That was so
Shit.
fucking corny.
That was
Why
corny
the hell
shit.
did I say that?
Anyways, guys, it's great to be back in front of you guys. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna get the videos back rolling, hopefully on a very consistent basis again,
yeah.
for you guys. So again, we hope you enjoyed the video and take care.